Hello, my name is Max Drake. I'd like to talk to you about visualizing condition of your assets using Heatmaps Part 2. In the first part we use this example. In the second part we're actually just using Excel spreadsheets. These are the examples that I'm using and they're on this web page here. In the first one we look at roof condition here and we actually have a whole lot of items, and what I've done is I've used KNIME to take the data from the asset management system and show the condition of each of those elements over by year from 2016 through to 2064. This particular sheet has about 1,160 lines of data on it. Control up just to get back to the top again, and what we can do with this information is that we can say, well, in 2018, what's coming up that I need to start planning for, or that I need to react to this year? And there's certain items that are level 5 and there's certain items that are level 4. We can actually just filter those out and just say, just give me the level 5 stuff. I don't want to know anything else. Those are the ones that I need to react to. There we have. I can then take that information, go and react to it. So these are the bits that I actually have to go and do something about straight away. Boom. We can then just blow that filter there away and clear the filter, and it's still down in the descending side. This is actually an Excel sheet that I've actually got stored on a OneDrive, and I've embedded the code onto my web page so that I'm viewing it with filters. So on this particular one, as I said, this is only about 1,000 lines of data. There's another example here where I've got about 15,000 lines of data. One of the things which I have an issue with here is that, say I do 2020 and I say sort descending, the only way that I can store this information is either take a screenshot here if I wanted to put it into a report, or else the other thing that I can do is that I can click this item here and it will open it up inside another spreadsheet, and I can actually download that spreadsheet and I can actually set up those views so that I can actually put them into a report. So that is one powerful thing. So you can actually stop people from actually accessing this and downloading the sheet. I've actually got it open, so that's one thing you can do. So it's quite good that you could start exploring your data, seeing what needs to have work done on it, when it needs to be done, so that you can forward plan through the years and see what you need to start budgeting for. This one is actually just done on the straight base life. You could end up with 2 other sheets, or you could end up modifying this sheet to allow for extended base life and shortened base life, so that you start looking at strategic ways of managing that data. So to say, some assets I'll leave for a little bit longer and other ones I'll react to straight away. Inside that you can also take that same information and use pivot data. So you can use pivots on the data. It's not something I'm that familiar with, but all I'm saying is you can do that. So if you're familiar with Excel pivots, here's the toy for you, and it will start managing that information in a way that you can actually get the information that you want. So I hope this has been of interest for you, and thank you very much for watching.